like a Hellcat.
Hello friends, today our topic is binomial distribution. So first we will see the formula. So P of x equal to small x, that is NCx P raised to x Q raised to n minus x. Now let's understand the terms of the formula. So our first term is n. Now n means it's a finite value and it is always the total. Example, we can have 1,000 books, so our n is 1,000. Similarly, there can be 10 pens or 15 bulbs, so these are nothing but n. Our second term is p and third term is q. So P always meant success, whereas Q means failure, and the relation between these two is P plus Q equal 1. Now X means this term we have to find it from question, and it is present in last line of the question. So let's understand this by an example. So the question is, if 10% of pens manufactured by a company are defective, then find probability that a box containing 12 pens contains exactly 2 defective pens. Second question is at least 2 defective pens. Exactly means equal to 2. At least means 2 and more. So let's see how to solve this. First we have to find the parameters. So the first parameter was n, and n means the total number. You can see total is 12 pens, so n is equal to 12. Second was to find p. Now here p means the pens are defective, so p means defective, and the probability is 10%. So 10 by 100, that is 1 by 10. Then what is Q? Q is 1 minus P, that is 9 by 10. Now we have our basics like NPQ we have. Now we need X. Now X was from the question. So we have two questions, 1 and 2. So first question we have to see P of X equal. Now here exactly 2 pens are defective, so X value equals 2. Now substitute in the formula. The formula was NCx P raised to x Q raised to n minus x. So n is 12, C x is 2, P is 1 by 10, again x is 2, Q is 9 by 10, and n minus x is 12 minus 2, that is 10. After solving this, you will get the answer. Now talking about the second condition. The second condition is at least 2 defective pens. Now at least means P of x. First it should be equal and greater. So greater than equal to 2, which is nothing but 1 minus P of x less than 2. Now it can be written as 1 minus P of x equal 0 plus P of x equal 1. Let's take another example. So the example 2 is probability that at any moment one telephone line out of 10 will be busy is 0.2. Find probability that 5 lines are busy. Now first we have to find the parameters n, p and q. N means the total, so there are total 10 telephone lines. P means the probability. Now here we consider P as the busy, So the probability of line being busy is 0.2. So what will be Q? Q is 1 minus P, that is 0.8. So we are done with step 1, that is finding the terms for the formula. Second is what is the condition, that is finding X. Now the question is this: find probability that 5 lines are busy. So P of X equals 5. And now using the formula, that is NCX P raised to X Q raised to N minus X. N is 10, C, X is our 5, probability is 0.2. Again X is 5, Q is 0.8 and N minus X is 10 minus 5. After solving this, we get the answer. Now let's see the properties of binomial distribution. So the first is expected value, or it is also called as mean. That is nothing but n into p. Now second is variance. Variance is represented as sigma square, that is NPQ. So standard deviation is root of NPQ. So the difference between Bernoulli and binomial distribution is simple. Like Bernoulli was for one, like one coin, one die. It was very simple, like it was for 1. But binomial is for n, like 10 books, or let's say 110 pens. That's why the term n in binomial is very important.
तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आ रही हो देन टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. टिल देन टेक केयर. दिस इज 𝐀𝐍𝐃𝐑𝐬. पीस आउट.